Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. There is not too much to add to my last video. We continue to be in a possible breakout pattern, even though, and I need to say that very clearly, I'm not too confident about this. The reason is, and it continues to be, let me zoom out, continues to be this leading diagonal here, which just isn't great, To start something with a leading diagonal is, it's possible, but it's just not the most reliable pattern, right? Which is always why I like to see 5 waves complete, ideally, before confirming that this is really a breakout pattern, which doesn't mean it can't be traded, absolutely. Absolutely not, it can be traded, absolutely. So we've got here a possible scenario where this was a wave 1, here a wave 2, this is a wave 3, there'll be a wave 4 and a wave 5. When these 5 waves are complete, then we have a really good confirmation that a low was indeed in, and an even better confirmation, and again, I don't really like the word confirmation because it implies that there is anything like certainty in this market, in these markets, which isn't, right? It's all about probabilities and indications rather. But yeah, if we come down in 3 waves, it would be another indication that a low has been made. And if we then make a higher low, that is obviously the best indication you can get, the highest probability setup, and then we can start from there. But yeah, we're not there yet. We are here in this sort of wave 3, and we are still in the same wave as suggested in the previous video. So from that low, on the 9th of November, we moved up in a wave 1, here a wave 2. We are still, I believe, in the wave 3. There will be a wave 4 and a wave 5. And in this wave 3 in blue, we had a wave 1, had a wave 2, had a wave 3. Yeah, that worked out as expected. And then the wave 4 also came into the support area as expected. And it's currently hovering in this area. So all we need to do now is to move higher and break above the $83 level, the wave 3 high. If we break above this level, we have put a wave 5 in, okay? That is what we need, 5 waves to complete wave 3 in blue. This at the moment is, well, we have hit support areas, yeah, which is good. But really now, at some point, the price needs to move. This is not unusual behavior. If this still is a wave 4, which it could be, this could still be the wave 4, not here, but here maybe. If this still is the wave 4, it wouldn't be unusual because after such a strong move up in, for example, a wave 3, you typically get a wave 4, of course, and the wave 4 is typically a wave pattern which is usually quite boring. Might be a shallow retracement or a triangle, and sometimes a very boring and long correction or consolidation. This is because the wave 3 is normally very strong. The indicators are overbought, and people are just waiting to see if the market can consolidate and hold support. And it seems to be doing that at the moment. So that it takes a bit of time here is nothing unusual. It's actually good to see that because the market is currently holding support. Okay. So there are 2 possibilities here how I see this at the moment, and this is valid as long as we're holding the $71 level, because below $71 I'm losing confidence in this count, because then we're dropping below the support box, and then it's most likely not a wave 4 anymore. So what are the possibilities here? The possibility is that this here was the low of the wave 4 on the 26th of November at around $73. And we're already in the 5th wave. So let me just move that across here. So if we are already in the 5th wave of the 3rd, then this here would be most likely a wave 1. This here a wave 2. There will be a 3, 4, and 5. This is what I talked about in, I don't know if it was in the previous video, or if I just updated the channel gold members on Discord and Telegram. But I defined when we moved up here this support area, and we've come into this as well. Yeah, this is the area. If this really is a wave 2, it should hold the 74.50 level. It's doing that at the moment. Yeah, in what could be an A, B, C pattern. So ideally it doesn't drop any lower. It could do, but it would then most likely not be a wave 2 anymore. So ideally it now starts from here, otherwise it loses momentum. Or if it doesn't start and hovers sideways, then again it could be that the wave 4 is still ongoing. We need to wait a little bit longer until we finally get this fifth wave play out. But yeah, still waiting here for a fifth wave into the region of around, yeah, maybe $90. Until then, we need to be a bit patient. And as I said, it's important to hold the $71 level. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.